Do you know main aim of the creation of mankind? The main aim of the mankind's birth and his life is to worship Allah Almighty and to obey His commandments. Allah Almighty has stated, "Wama khalaqtul jinna wal insa illa liya'budun." And I have created jinn and human beings only for this, that they should worship me. As narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam said, Allah Almighty has said, "O human, you get free for my worship. I will fill your chest with contentment and close the door of your indigence. And if you do not do so, then I will keep your hands busy at all time and will not close the door of your indigence."